Okay. Here's what's happening. That's the restrainer. Okay.
Y se vuelve a echar agua.
El segundo es...
Aquí, aquí.
¡Ay!
No me sigas.
Don't show me my shorts. Yeah.
Ya está.
Yeah, so you get rice, corn.
Sí.
See?
Sí.
Corn, elote.
Elote.
Y su plan is...
Por cena, Luis.
Yeah, yo entiendo,
Lo
pero...
voy a tapar, ¿eh? Necesito un poquito tiempo más.
Okay. You want to be in the video, Miles?
Sí.
Miles. What? Oh, yeah, good boy. Yeah, but Pantera. Yeah.
La gorda, la gorda.
Yeah. Gorda.
Hay que tomar agua mañana, muy bien.
She's just a fat one. I don't know. I think Pantera is embarazada.
Hay que comprar agua mañana.
Yeah. I think Pantera is pregnant. Making chicken. What are we making? No chimichangas. ¿Qué es it?
Enchiladas Suisse.
Enchiladas Suisse.
No te pegue mucho porque brinca.
Yeah, yeah. Lupita's got a little bit of oil in the pan. Medium heat. Just like cooking oil. Olive oil. What she does, she fries up the tortillas. Makes them... I don't know, so they don't tear apart, I guess. And you're a traffic controller, not a chef. Cuando es en el aceite, porque es más fuerte.
Más blandito. Más, este es dura, mira.
Yeah,
Y
yeah.
este es
Yeah.
blandito.
She says when you put them in the cooking oil, heat them up like that, they don't rip as easy. They're más, they're more,
Suavecito.
yeah, they're softer and más duro,
Sí,
stronger,
porque está frío.
stronger.
Porque está fría.
Yeah, look at that. See how soft they are? And they don't tear. I remember making Mexican food in Canada years ago and thinking, well, how the hell do the Mexicans make them so they don't all just fall apart? This is how they do it. ¿Qué pasa con su piña aquí?
Ah, ese es para hacer un té de piña.
boiling pineapple here. Is this pan for us?
Lupita.
You got her chicken already? And then I said, what's this? She says, I'm making a pineapple tea. See? See? Got me. You know what I was thinking, standing here, we should ban gas stoves because they're bad for the environment. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Uy, está bien caliente.
We've had some difficulties.
Apparently marriage has challenges.
There was some bloodshed.
She tried to kill me.
I did.
Well, that shakes a man.
How can we trust each other?
Faith.
Annoying answer.
Agreed.
Lupita, artista. See, Lupita?
Chef,
Chef.
no artista.
Chef.
Made an anger.
Chef Lupita.
Understood.
I'm no longer the child bride who took this place. But I will be the leader. I promised myself I would.
Look at this.
Your eyes are wrong. They're the wrong blue. Yours are more crystalline.
As we throw balls at you, I have you always.
Ow! Sorry.
Happy wife, happy life. Where's your loyalty to us?
You have one job, and that is to preserve the line.
I'm really not enjoying this conversation.
Shall I dance around a bit as we do it, so it's more pleasing for you?
Oh my God, Lupita.
They love me, so it's hard to relate. Nothing you've done has worked.
Muy bien.
Y de ahí se